Hi, good morning everyone. I'm here back to my channel. Andito ako nag-walk. So now I'm already here, guys. Alam niyo may flowers pa ako. Kunwari, yes. Anong sa inyo? Ngayon, andito na rin ako. So I need to try whatever I didn't do when I was a kid. Ganito yun. Alam kong bawal. I-try ko nga lang din naman ang ganito. Okay, watch out. Stay tuned, guys. Sa inyo. Hindi ko ito ginawa ng bata ako, kaya ako gano'n. Diba? Guys, diba? Wala ito ganun ba? Diba? Ganito nung ako'y bata pa. So when I was a kid, walang ganitong laruan, guys. Di ba? Sabi ko nga hindi. Hindi ko ginawa tong bata ko. So I try now na matanda na ako. Kasi walang laruan. Alam nyo ang laruan namin noon. Siyatong. Alam nyo yung siyatong. That's the version of yung si Tiger Woods. Ano yung nilalaro ng Tiger Woods? That's another version of Tiger Woods. Yan ang nilalaro ng mga mamayaman. Yun si Tiger Woods, diba? Ngayon, ganyan, ito naman ang gawin ko ngayon. I'm gonna try to play this too. Yeah. I'm gonna try to reach that there. Try ko lang. Try ko lang itong naglaro. Josan. O Pakkan. Kaya ito naglalaro ako na they just maybe na-amaze lang sila bakit andito ang lola nyong naglalaro ng meron pa ito palang laruan. Oh, maglalaro din ako. Di ba? Yes. Maglalaro. Laro din ako niya, no? Yay! The grandmother will play also. Since I didn't try this laruan when I was a kid, di ba? Walang laruan na ganito when I was a kid. So I try to do it now. Why it's not late yet? Di ba? Nag-try kung anong pwedeng gawin ngayon. Kasi matanda na tayo. Hindi na natin... It's better late than never kasi hindi natin nilaro yan nung bata tayo. Oh yeah, see? Nagsiswing ako ngayon. Di ba? Ganun-ganun lang pala. Oh, gandang saya. Yay! Ah, nahulog si plants ko. Ayan. Woohoo! Yes! And okay, here we go again. Hilong-hilo na si Lola. So, that's all for today, guys. Yun lang masasabi ko. Okay. Mag-stop na nga. So, till it stop. Okay na. Okay, there you go. Nag-stop na ako dito. Naglaro na si Lola. Talagang Lola na pwedeng maglaro ng mga pambata. As what I said, Okay, and ito lang masabi ko. I feel relaxed and very happy and everything the relaxation for me today. Kasi naglakad ako, at least I'm here already around maybe 30 minutes or more, maybe 1 hour or more. Kasi nag-vlog ako kanina sa YouTube channel ko, and then here is this just a video. I'm going to send it soon, and then that's all for today's video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow, and I need some more comments from you guys. And then okay, that's all for today. Hopefully you love yourself, stay healthy and sexy, love your family, and of course I love your neighbors, and of course I love you all. Back to the Philippine back to the Philippine Nueva Vizcaya, and all the people of the universe, I love you all. And that's all for today. Yun lang masasabi ko. See you later. That's all. Bye! See you around. And magluluto na ang lola nyo ng breakfast. Magpataba tayo. Okay, stay tuned for the next vlog. See you. God bless. I love you all. Bye!